So one thing that we have in our food forest here at the YMCA in La Crosse is a Three Sisters garden. And a Three Sisters garden is a prototype for how a food forest works. And in the Three Sisters garden, we've got multiple different plants that each have their own function that work together to create a functioning community. And actually we have the Four Sisters here at this one because we've included sunflowers as a fourth sister. But we've also got corn, beans, and squash. Now the corn's going to grow up really tall, but it sucks a lot of nitrogen out of the soil. So it needs to get that nitrogen replenished back into the soil. And so around the corn, we planted beans. We've harvested most of the beans already, but you can see the bean plants right here. And these beans trellis up the corn. So that corn plant's providing the trellising for the bean. The bean's putting nitrogen in the soil. And then around all the corn plants, we have squash growing. You can see the squash growing, and that's creating a ground cover that keeps the moisture in the soil, keeps the weeding down. And all of these things function together and create a working community. And one of the really cool things about a Three Sisters garden is within all the food that you harvest from it, you have pretty much a balanced diet. You've got vitamins and calories in the squash. You've got a complete protein with the beans and the corn. And you've got all sorts of carbohydrates and fats within that and vitamins as well. So you get this complete diet from the Three Sisters. And then also it's a prototype for how the food forest works, where each plant has its own function and kind of works together.